Wagwan YouTube, yes, welcome to the Jamaican Recipe Queen, where we cook with love and passion. So families, today I'm going to share with you my steamed fish recipe. Yes, look at these lovely Dr. Fish. I got these at the fish store. We don't normally get these very often here in Canada, so I found these at the fish store and I was excited. I don't know about you, but Dr. Fish is one of my favorite. Yes, it just have a different taste, a different texture when you cook it. So here are all of my ingredients that I will be using. Let's just go over them a little bit. Alright, so I have a few okras that I cut up that I will be using. I have about 4 Dr. Fish in here. I already pre-seasoned my fish with some black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I'm also going to be using 2 onion, 1 hot pepper optional, some green onion. I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using the Cool Onion. You can use any. I'm using some more of my garlic pepper. I'm going to use a fish tea soup mix in this as well, some oregano flakes, and my garlic and parsley. You can only use garlic salt if you have that. I have some pimento seeds here that I will be using. So I'm making some cornmeal or cornmeal as we Jamaican would call it to go with this fish. I'll be having that recipe out as well for you guys to see, so you can, prepare cornmeal with a steamed fish, or you can have a cornmeal with anything, but the steamed fish and the cornmeal, Okay, so here we have our pot. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add our butter. Okay. All right. So I've added my butter. And I use about 1/4 cup of butter. Yes, because I want it nice and buttery. So now I am going to be adding my seasoning. So first I'm going to go in with my fresh thyme. All of my vegetables. So my onion and my garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic and 2 onions, 2 small onions. I'm gonna go in with my okras. My hot scotchy. That's optional. And I'm not cutting this up. I just cut it in 2. And I'm going in with my green onions. Lots of green onions, yes. So you're just gonna allow this to saute for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add our fish noodle and the rest of our seasoning. Alright, so what we did, we allowed the okra, since they are a little bit harder to cook, we allow them to saute for 2 minutes. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add the rest of our seasoning. So I'm going to go in with my 1 pack of fish noodle. And I'm just going to add the water at this point. So I am going in with about 2 cups of water. So about 2 to 3 cups of water. Yes. And then we're going to add our powdered seasoning. Alright. So let's go in with our all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using about 1 tablespoon. That's our all-purpose, and we're going in with about 1/2 teaspoon of our garlic and parsley. I'm also gonna go in with my garlic and pepper, and I'm using about 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, because this is very salty, so you want to taste first. Okay. And I'm just gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of my oregano flakes. Lovely. So just combine all of this together, leave it for about 4 minutes just to get it nicely combined and the noodle to cook just a little bit. and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Alright, so now we're going to add a little bit of tang and a little bit of sweetness. So we're going to go in with about 1 teaspoon of malt vinegar, and I'm using this one. You can use the regular white vinegar as well. So just 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So that's the sweetness that we're going to add to it. So my people, I have lost some of my clippings, but go ahead and add your bell peppers, your pimento seed, and your tomato, and also go ahead and add your fish, and just cover that down for about 10 minutes and allow it to steam. Okay, all right, this is it. Our fish, they are ready. They're looking so good. It smells so good. So we are just gonna serve this up now. Yes, so you know, just to top it off, I'm just gonna add some freshly chopped parsley. Look at that, beautiful. All right, so thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless you all.